Here's a 2014 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Refrigerated box located in the console. Front heated leather bucket seats. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. External memory control. Honda Link. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. And automatic transmission. Car and Driver points out, the Honda Odyssey has long been our favorite minivan, going beyond utility and practicality to inject a semblance of driving enjoyment into the segment. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.